Just looking at this NIO here. 48,000 there, another 47,000 there. And NIO back down to lows. Very weak. Very weak on that NIO. I think I'm gonna give this NIO a shot on the short side. Up at 32.88. I got that one. And then 33 would be the other one. And the stop is above 20. So let's see if that, and then the stop is above 25 cents. And if we do crack to new lows, then I need to try to get more size on lower. Let's see here. Meanwhile, AMD is moving lower as well. Apple also moving lower. Don't want to see this NIO hang out too much down here. I'd like to see it go move to lows rather quickly. There's Pfizer on lows too. I need to keep track of this Pfizer because now it is cracking this area. Don't like how this NIO can't break into the 60s here. Let's see if it can go run at lows here. Gonna cover a small piece right there. Right at lows. Can we crack lows? We did not. We did not crack the low. And we did right there. Just barely, only by a couple of cents. And it looks like everything's coming in now. Covered another small piece right there. Very much in control on this NIO. I'd like to see a seller step down and start holding lower. See if we can get a flush down to the 30s. Yeah, we're not getting that flush down to the 30s there. Gonna go ahead and start reducing my size on this. I feel like just based on the tape here, it's holding how it's holding this 50, and there's so much buying here. This thing's gonna pop. Let's see if we can get one more push down below 50 cents. Doesn't look like we'll get it. I got the seller here at 50. No, they got taken out there. Here they go down to the 40s. Let's see if we can get a drop down to new lows. Keeps holding that area there, and then a pop back up. See if we can move down again. And this Pfizer I lost track of because I was watching NIO, and this thing, oh man, this thing was the one I was trying to keep track of. Here's NIO into the 30s. This thing's really struggling to get down. And just going back to this Pfizer that I missed, that big crack right there, and I should have been trying to position between 80 cents and the whole, it looks like, for a move lower. I just completely lost track of that one. This NIO's popping back up. See if we can get back down. But that might be it for it. Just the context isn't there for a massive breakdown, so I don't really want to be giving back. And the seller is not active right now. Let's see here. I think it can make it back down to 32. I think that's within reason, but I don't really want to risk 50 cents to make, what would it get down to, 40 cents? So I might be looking at an exit here soon. This Pfizer was the big miss. This thing really set up. All right, I'm gonna set the stop. Let's see, my average is 88 cents, and I'm gonna set the stop at 03. I will let it bounce around. We'll let it bounce around a little bit there. Um, and when it gets back down to low a day, let me know about that. And this Pfizer, I just don't see a way in at this point. Just don't see a way in. Can this NIO hold below 50 cents here? Don't know. Okay, well, let's keep looking at what else we have. This Pfizer, wow. I guess this spot and this spot later on, but okay, let's take a look. IMMX, Apple thrashing back and forth. AMD didn't really break down. Let me, do I have a low a day alert on Apple? 181.50, low a day. And then AMD, do I have a low a day? Pre-market low 145, that's the wrong. Oops. I'd like to see this NIO down in the 40s very soon here. Let's take a look. There's the 40s on NIO. Let's see if we can make a run toward low a day here. 38 cents. We're only 5 cents away from lows. Can we get down there? Can the seller keep a lid on this thing? It does not look like it. Does not look like it. And it pops immediately. There's Pfizer on new lows. Just really missed it on that Pfizer. Let's see. Wow. What a miss. AMD, Lucid, NVIDIA, Tesla, Viacom, BABA. Here we are again. Got a little piece off there. Moving my stop down. Just locking this in. Looks like there's an active seller here pushing down. I mean, this is like just such a beautiful pattern, but five. Yeah. What are the other vaccine names doing? They're holding up, so it's just Pfizer. Just Pfizer with strong, strong sell. I don't like this NIO anymore. It should have broken down by now. And it's staying up. So there's clearly a buyer down there. I'm going to continue to try to cover at the bottom of this range here. I'm going to get stopped out in NIO here. I don't see a way to get into this Pfizer. mRNA cracking lows. Actually, mRNA below this. Let's see if we can crack this 38. Doesn't look like it. Just the seller isn't coming to press down. Here's Moderna. I'm going to set, what's the low? 229.50? Oh, so it already cracked. Yeah, it already went. This NIO just keeps holding this level. The Pfizer bounce. Oh, it needed to bounce to like 55, 55.50. There's NIO. Can we get a run down to 32? Let's take a look. Nice little push there. Just trying to get 27s, but didn't get it. Took some there. I'll look to take the last piece down near the hole. forgot I have a meeting that I have to go to in 6 minutes, so the time stopped too. We got down to 21 cents. Let's get some screenshots of this Pfizer. Let's see. Big pop on NIO here. And I think I'm going to just take profit. If I can get filled. And I'm out.